Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, VeChain still stuck below this descending trend line that we have talked about in the recent videos. So still stuck in this pattern. You can call it a descending wedge, even though there's a bit too much space in here. So I don't really like the look of a wedge pattern. I guess it might be more like a trend channel that's developing here. Anyway, what I find more relevant is the descending trend line. Price pulled back to that trend line several times, couldn't get above it, broke briefly the 78.6 retracement level of the rally between the 10th of June and that was July, wasn't it? Yeah, and the July high. By the way, this was only at best, yeah, in the yellow wave count, which is the bullish scenario. This was only a leading diagonal at best, or at worst, just here a wave 4, which would lead to another bear market low here. Yeah, so this is absolutely still a possibility. Actually, if this is just a correction, we might actually. I mean, there are different ways of counting this. This could just be here. I mean, we could say maybe wave 4 was here, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and just one more low in a wave 5. This is probably actually the wave count I would probably go with in case VeChain produces another low. If VeChain produces another low, which is currently preferred because I don't trust the yellow wave count, okay? I don't trust it because of the rally here. I mean, it wasn't a rally, it was more a breakdown because of the breakdown here and that kind of a bear flag it's producing here. This kind of yeah, you can call it ascending broadening wedge actually. So something like here, like a megaphone pattern actually more. Yeah, or here, it looks a bit strange. I don't know, it's different ways of drawing trend lines here, but certainly nothing that you would call impulsive. It looks more like a three-wave structure here. Can you see that? More like a three-wave rally, A, B, C in wave 4. And now if it if it breaks below this support here at 1.51 cents, I think another low is very, very likely. And then talking about, okay, where could that go? Well, there's a long way to go, really. I mean, to minimum expectation, actually, if it really comes down lower, I mean, it has a chance. It has a chance to save the yellow wave count as long as price stays above the 1.33 cent level, which is the June low. There will be one more support level between where price is now and the June low, and that's here around 1.43 cents. So as long as it's holding that, it can survive the yellow wave count. The yellow wave count can survive, but if it breaks below that, I think we are dealing with a breakdown all the way to the lower trend line here, the lower boundary line of the descending wedge, which would be around 1.21 cents. So here I think we can summarize that another bear market low is very likely. It still has a chance to protect the bullish scenario even with one more low, even though if it makes one more low, it's going to break below the 78.6 retracement level, and then any more upside in the yellow wave count just reduces in likelihood significantly. So that's the problem I have with this wave count. Yeah, I mean, it can always surprise. I'm happy to be surprised, but yeah, I think there are better setups. GMX seems to be a decent one at the moment, which I would prefer over this one, maybe even Aave. So yeah, but that's the problem with this wave count here. Yeah, I still have the bullish count on the chart because it's technically possible, but I just don't like the look of it. And it takes anyway a break above the trend line to indicate that this third wave in yellow has started. What would be a target for the third wave? I mean, we can put that onto the chart, even though Bitcoin doesn't look like it's going to recover quickly, so at least not before VeChain breaks to new lows. So could always be wrong, but and then here, I mean, 2.8 cents, right? I mean, it's decent reward to risk, absolutely. Decent reward to risk, but don't be surprised if it breaks. That's my update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.